Hey guys, here we're taking a look at Marche. This is available in the App Store for the iPhone. This is a shopping list app, and actually in French, marche means market. This enables you to make easier to-do list or grocery shopping list, etc. when out and about. Very, very nice, intuitive UI with great sounds and little bells and whistles built into it, so that's definitely something that's on its plus side. Going into the settings here, you can see all the customizable options, from setting tax rates if you have tax rates in your certain places you shop, the measuring scales, and for example when you're buying, you can set it to pounds, for a US scale and all of that. You can set other stuff like shopping timers, adjust wallpapers, all this great stuff, and adjust templates. With that, let's get right into the app and show you what it is. So, like I said, it enables you to make a really, really easy shopping list and has tons of stuff built into its library to actually help you out in adding items to the list. So you can sort by all your ones you're currently doing or shopping and the ones that are done. Let's go ahead and make a list, for example, here. You can also click down here at the chart to see your financial, the way you're spending per month, and you can actually export this to a Excel document, as you can see there in the top left. So if I was to click this, we can actually get this exported as a monthly chart, or I should say email it to you, kind of like an Excel document, with your, what do you call that, with your, you can see there your checks, or not your checks, but your expenses all available. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. You can go also obviously check it individually by each month, and whoops, I don't want to do that. Go down here and let's go ahead and make a list, for example. So in this case, we're going to type in groceries. Hit done, and then you can see here you have this list here with the total amount at the top, and you can actually pull down to write a note. So if you want to write a note, for example, get it done by Thursday, or anything that needs to be, noted in your list. So let's say I need to get all these done by Thursday. I can read the notes as I pull up. You have this little command button there. As you click it, if you're familiar with that max command icon, you can see all these lists here, from editing items, creating new lists, sending the list via email or SMS, unchecking all items, and deleting the list altogether. Adding items is as simple as clicking at the bottom here, and then you can see I already have some couple of items that I've queried before, recently used, so you can see that. Let's say you're looking for a certain item. Let's say you need apples, so I can type in apples here, and you can see there it obviously pops up. Now you can set the quantity scale, so maybe you need a dozen apples, a can of apples, or a bag of apples. So let's just say we need a bag of apples here, and then we can slide over. You can slide over, see more scales, or a pack of apples. In this case, we'll just say again a bag of apples. You can click price here and then set the price. So let's say apples, for a bag of apples is about $11. Let's just say. I can then hide the keyboard here, and you can see. Oops, oh, I forgot to add it there. Actually, let me just go back here. Apples, I forgot to confirm it there. Go back into it, bag, check over price, and we'll say $12 or whatever, and then we can return. And then it's added to the list here, so you can see there, apples, $12 to the list, and then again, we can add more items as we please, or we can just go by category here. So you can see they have tons and tons of categories, so you can go to cleaning supplies, and then I can, look for an item there. So let's say, like, I don't know if they'll have, let's see, oh, they don't have it under here, but let's see, you can get cereals. You can see breakfast foods there, so you can add cereals to the list, and they'll go price, and we'll say it's $4 in return, and then you can keep on adding items as we go. And see if we're going to set a price here, $15, just throwing in random prices here, and go back, and you can see here it sorts it out by produce, it sorts it out by category, so you can see where your expenses are going in each category, and you can see the total amount at the bottom, which is really, really nice here. And then again, like I said, you can do those additional options, you can add notes, all of that, and you can go back here and see your total cost for this certain list. Again, this doesn't only have to be used for groceries. You can add your own custom things. Like I said, let's say you need a to-do or a to-buy, I should say to-buy list, so you need to buy certain items. This will also calculate for that. So let's say I wanted to buy a new iMac or whatever, maybe that might not be in here, but I can still hit return, or I can still hit here and then go in and set pricing for that certain item. So I can go back here, oops, not notification center, but I can go into this actual item here and make my own category, or if you click it there, obviously you will enable it, but you can check or uncheck it. If you want to edit it, you can actually go in, you can delete it, wherever you want to do, and set your own category. So I can make a computer or electronics, and then set my own pricing for it, and then I would also keep track and then show up on the chart. And you can see they have these nice little graphics here. So this is Marche, really, really easy to use, really nice interface, intuitive, user-friendly. Check it out in the App Store today.